guys, did you know that having a membership with Live Good allows you to have all the supplements your body needs in one place? It also gives you an opportunity to save money and make money. To learn more about how to join me with Live Good, click on the link in the description and take the Live Good tour. Hey guys, it's Crystal the Fit Mom. Really quick, I want to show you how I make my oatmeal. I personally think I make the best, the most amazing, delicious, everything awesome to describe my oatmeal is me. All right, so first of all, some people might think that I do a little too much, that I put too much in there, but I want to get I want that perfect taste. I want that perfect taste. I want to have my chia seed in there, my pink lady apple, my blueberry, my peanut butter, my Live Good protein, and I do cheat. The way I cheat is when I want whatever flavor I want, whether it's maple, cinnamon spice, or apple, whatever, I use half a pack. I'm cheating. I use half a pack of the instant cinnamon spice. So it gives me that pumpkin thing that I love so much, right? So I use half a pack of this and then half a pack of the old-fashioned oatmeal. All right, so I got my bowl. I'm gonna do half a pack of my flavored oatmeal just because that's the taste I want. And then I'm gonna put the rest here. Oh my gosh, how did I forget my raisins? How the heck did I forget my raisins? That is like one of the main ingredients is my raisins. Let me throw those in there. You put as many as you want. I like a gang of raisins. All right, so add that to a little picture. I want some more. I'm like addicted, but so I throw some water in there. You can do milk or water. It's totally up to you. Put it over there for 2 minutes. All right. While that is doing its thing in the microwave, so what I do, I cut up my apple. I add a scoop of chia seed. I add half a teaspoon, just a little bit, just to give me to know that I have some peanut butter in there because I love peanut butter and everything. And I put some blueberries in there just to your liking. And then I put half a scoop of my Live Good plant-based protein in there as well. All right guys, here's the finished product. This is the best oatmeal that you will ever taste. It has blueberries, apples, raisins, chia seed, peanut butter, protein powder, just everything that you need for an awesome healthy snack. And it tastes amazing. I mean, I'm not just saying it because I make it. I do make the best oatmeal. All right guys, so be sure to subscribe, check out 7 Easy Steps to Becoming a Fit Mom, and the Live Good opportunity. I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.